Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll talk about forms in Access. So what is form in Access? A form is nothing but an Access object which you can use to create user interface to interact with your database, just like interacting with table and queries, right? So let's deep dive into the practical stuff. Here, if you click on create menus, so you'll see these forms, right? So I'll talk about each one of these forms one by one, right? So first I'll change my table name here. Let me rename it as student information, right? The table which I created in last video, right? And if I click on this table and then click on this form, so the form will take the structure of this table automatically, right? And then I'll save it. Although I can change the name of the form, but I'll keep it as we have the table name. Now if you click here, so you can see this structure. If I click here in design view, so you can see here, so Microsoft Access has automatically designed this form. However, I can change some sort of information here, right? Like student information, system, heading I have changed. This is the header and this is the footer part. And even I can change these. This is field name, so I can't change it. But here, the level I can change, right? Like we can change the level as per our convenience, right? Now you can see here buttons. So I want to put these buttons here, and these buttons will show me so what type of these button are. So now you can see these are the commands. So if you want to navigate through your records, so this is navigation, categories, and even record operations as well. If you want to add, delete, duplicate, save, undo any record, so you can do. So we'll select few of them. First I want to add some record, so I'll click on add new and I'll choose text and then finish. Then I'll click next button, I'll drop it here, then click on record, delete record and text, and then the next button, put it here, click on record operation, duplicate text, so on and so forth. Next, save button, next. Let me change the alignment of these all buttons. So I'll hold shift and click on each one of these buttons and then click on alignment and bottom. Okay, so far so good. Now I'll have to save this form and then I'll run this form by double clicking it. So you can see, and I'll click on add record. I'll put student name like ABC, contact number this, email address abc at gmail.com. It is up, then save record, add record, abc2, contact number is email. I skip email for abc2 and click mp and save record. Now I want to duplicate abc2, so I'll click on duplicate record. It will duplicate it for me. I keep on duplicating, it will create 3-4 duplicate record for me with the same student name, right? If you see here, you can see these number are created, duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. Okay, now I want to delete that, the last duplicate, so we can delete it. One record, delete it and save. Although save, if I don't include this, so it does not have more relevant because used in other forms, but yes, for the timing I've kept it here. So this is all about record level operation through buttons: add, delete, duplicate and save record. In next video we'll talk about how we can navigate through search. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.